Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. When last have you guys had Bora or long bean? For me, it has been over 10 years. That is how long. So when I finally saw these guys in the farmers market here in Charlotte, baby, I went berserk. I got so much greens at that place. It was unbelievable. These beans or Bora, they're about 3.5 feet long. They're pretty long. All right, and I just went excited. You're gonna cut the tip off and you're gonna cut this. I love mine cut really small, or you can, cut to your desired length. These are the rest of the ingredients that we will be using, and they will be in the description box. So first thing we will be doing is frying our curry. So there I have some curry masala and a little bit of jeera. We're going to mix that together to form a paste. Then we are going to preheat our pan, add some oil. Then we're going in with our curry and we are going to fry this up really well for about 3 minutes. Stir consistently. Then we are going to add some garlic. And this is fresh diced garlic and ginger. For an additional minute. Then we're going to add some onions and our Bora. Guys, I don't know. I spent so much money at that place. It's the first time I actually been to a farmer's market. So I was very, very, very excited. Then you're going to add your carrots. Now you can choose to omit that if you like, but I love my greens to have lots of obstacle, lots of color, nice and pretty, like me, yes. So you go in with your coconut milk, give that a good stir. Now here you can really adjust the seasoning to your likeness and taste. The coconut milk just brings this home really nice and tasty. Absolutely delicious. You're going to add some green onions, give that another stir with some freshly diced tomatoes. Absolutely amazing. And this is what it looks like. Beautiful. If you guys are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Alright, so I want to thank you guys for spending the time with me today. See y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.